All right, continuing with our 7 Rules of Life series, looking at number 5, avoid negativity. Avoid negative thoughts, situations, and people. And believe me, there is plenty of negativity to go around in the world. It's very, very easy to find. So you have to work to try to avoid it. And believe it or not, you're actually programmed to be aware of negativity. It's actually a survival trait. It's there to help you be aware of negative situations that might be life-threatening. This is where the survival aspect came in, and help you to be uncomfortable enough that you get away from that negative situation. Again, that was something that's been programmed into us thousands of years ago by our ancestors to help us survive. Now, though, unfortunately, what it does is just causes stress and anxiety. So, let's go back to that survival instinct. Do your best to stay away. Number 1 is physically distance yourself from that situation, okay? The best you can. Also, try to ignore things that people say or do that really don't have any effect on you. And believe me, I know people will say a lot of things to you that will cause you to feel negative, but you have to decipher, does it really have any effect on me or not? Okay, yes or no. And try to ignore them the best that you can. Especially things that are said online. My goodness, the things that go on online. My advice would be to you to stay away from a lot of that online stuff. TikTok, Snapchat, the messenger rooms, all that kind of stuff. Not a lot of good stuff goes on in there. So I would advise you to stay away from that. And do your best to deal with things on your own. As we've said in earlier rules, try to handle it. But again, if you can't, that's when you need to get somebody else involved, an adult that you trust, maybe even the police. Who knows, depending on how bad it is. But definitely reach out for help if you're feeling overwhelmed. And again, as we said before, focus on the positive. Once again, you've got a lot of positive things going on in your life. Remember all of those. What you should realize is that there's a lot more positive going on in your life than there is negative. So always keep that in mind. And again, try to avoid that negativity.